Hi, I'm Rohan, React developer and a tech enthusiast. With hands-on experience using AI tools daily, I have built real-world projects and help others to unlock their potential. In this course, I'm gonna teach you exactly how to master ChatGPT and generative AI, fast, practical, and no fluff. Let's begin your AI journey.
I can assure you some tools are really built for helping developers and the people are in the management. Whether are you from, are you a student or the professional, or you are just here just for the completing word. It's really okay. Okay. What this gonna be in this course? What you gonna get in this course? First talk about that. I'm gonna show you what you can do with ChatGPT and more free tools. Okay, ChatGPT is not fully free. If you have ever used it, you should know like there is some barrier that you cannot use beyond it. For that you have to pay some subscription monthly. I don't even have that because I'm using a free version of ChatGPT. Not that powerful, but yeah, it it do the work, and its name is DeepSeek. Okay, so what we can do with the ChatGPT? First of all, let's talk about it. Uh, let's come back to my screen. Okay, I should say create an app uh, on React, with React, and it should be an only work on npm install. Oh, sorry for spelling. I don't want to connect anything from the AI, from the API, sorry, AI. Okay, let's see what he gonna give us. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, actually, it's giving the default thing that we already get. Create a blog website for techies. I don't know about this word. Okay, let's see what it's gonna show. Okay, how we okay. It's creating a small app, not that big. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna like. I really wanna show you. Yes, there are some tools that you can use, but there's we should think normally that I have taken interviews for internship and the freshers, and I don't allow them to use ChatGPT or DeepSeek. I, they can use when they are selected, but first you should know the basics of the programming. So that's a really myth that vibe coding or you can anyone can code with the ChatGPT. You should have the knowledge to do it. What if I tell you and you are not a programmer just to run this course? Where are you gonna do it? For npm thing, you need to install the Node.js. If you're not a developer, how are you gonna know it? Let's assume that you're gonna ask everything from the ChatGPT and you're gonna run it. Then again, how you gonna add the Oath API or the uh, Firebase, a real website, how a real website work. You need a backend, you need a database, you need a middleware, and these things are really a headache thing for non-developer, although also a developer. Okay, it's not an easy task to do it. So let's get straight on the point where we can use the ChatGPT in real. You can use the ChatGPT for the your content creation for like for example, uh, I'm uploading uh, comedy video on YouTube. Help me with the script. Let's see what it's gonna help me. Okay. Types of Wi-Fi uses in every house. Let's get okay. Intro. Wi-Fi, the invisible thread holding our family together and tearing them apart. Let's meet the legend users. Legends using it. Okay. Type 1 bandwidth. Okay. It's giving a good story for the short, and I think it will work. Okay, so you can help. You can take help from it. I'm gonna ask him to create an image. Create a thumbnail. Okay, it's like asking so much. I don't have image. Create your own. Let's see what he gonna give us. Okay, it's working on the image, and while it's working, let's go on the DeepSeek. What is DeepSeek? Okay. As you can see, I use ChatGPT, DeepSeek or ChatGPT more often for like everything. Okay. I was searching for the who will be going to be a 28, uh, as you can read. Okay. Uh, DeepSeek is totally free for use. Okay. You can do multiple things with that, and why it is free? Let's talk about that. Okay, so DeepSeek is totally free, and you can do things, but it is not that good like ChatGPT because you cannot send image. He did it passed the data. Like if you are sending an image and if there is text, it can read. Okay, it's going to pass that data. It's gonna read. But if you're gonna send an image, like your photo, okay, for like Ghibli, like it was really famous like in today time. I didn't use it and I don't want it. Okay, it's still processing the image. Okay, so let's talk about the DeepSeek. It's also a AI tool, also a chatting AI tool. So what you're gonna do help with the ChatGPT and the DeepSeek. First of all, in this world, if you are like spending things on the ChatGPT, like getting a subscription out of it, you don't need to. Because DeepSeek is gonna use your do your work for like 99%, and I think you also have here the chat bot name blackbox.ai. Okay, I can assure you that is waste of time. It's not going to help you with the coding and all if you are a coder. So if you're a coder, you can use Copilot. I have that free version of it, and it works fine. It works well. And if you're taking so much help from the AI tools, that means you are not a good developer and you have to work on that. So I will say work on that. Don't spend money on your paid ChatGPT tool or the Copilot or anything like that. Let's see it. Okay, oh man, you can see the time. I'm not like fastening thing up. It's gonna take really good amount of time, and I'm gonna assure you this is going to build a cheapest or like ugliest thumbnail. Okay, let's see. And one more thing, AI ad or AI thumbnail are really visible, and as a human, I don't consume that much of thumbnail that use AI because it's not feels okay. I'm not able to connect to the creators of like if they are using it. What you can do is like there's a AI name for just for the image creation, that is Midjourney is a bot, and the second one, forget that Midjourney, is Leonardo AI. It works fine. Let ask him. Uh, okay, I didn't choose that. Give a thumbnail prompt for Leonardo AI. And I wanna add one more thing. Okay, if you're gonna think that if I learn the um, chat GPT or DeepSeek and it's like going to create everything for me and that's all. No, it's not. It is just a tool. Okay. For an example, let's take an example of hardware. Okay, what do you think about drill machine? If you ever use that drill machine that can like make hole on wall, wood or anything like that. Before that, what we used to do, there was like a tool for the manual thing that you have to like turn things up and it's gonna make your life easier. If you're gonna ask me like if everybody can do it with the drill machine, no, people cannot handle drill machine because they don't know. It's also for the professional. You have to know things up. Okay, so creating anything with the chat GPT or DeepSeek, you should have a knowledge to do it. How you gonna do it? It's called a prompt engineering. It's not a thing that you cannot do it. Okay, it's the easiest thing. Prompt engineering means ask straight, ask precise, ask in detail. What that means? Okay. See, I just asked him give a thumbnail prompt for Leonardo AI. What is asking me? Would you like to help refining for a specific niche? Like everything. What if I like send this give a thumbnail prompt for Leonardo AI? YouTube topic is comedy video on Wi-Fi and family. What if should I do it? Let me try it. Topic is comedy and it's a comedy video. Topic is Wi-Fi and family. Let's see what it's gonna send us. I think it's going to show us a good thing. Okay. Funny YouTube thumbnail, chaotic family scene, exaggerated expression, mom yelling at broken Wi-Fi. Okay. Let's copy this one. And okay. For example, I don't know how much to copy. Okay, let's ask it. How much I should copy? Give context that I can copy paste. And meanwhile, go to Leonardo AI. I need to sign in. Okay, no worries. Oh, I also have used this one. No. Now you can also create videos with it. Good. But first, talk about the image. You can see like I don't know if I have dropped this or like they are doing by own. So what is Leonardo AI? Let's talk about it. Okay, first of all, you get like a free token 150. You can create 4 image. Like you can also create more, but I think you have to pay highest. You have to pay. Okay, you can see the pricing, and again, it's free thing that you can use, and you don't need to. Okay, if you want quality, you need premium. For everything you they don't want to share, you have to pay. Okay, so they work good. I think I really like the thumbnail. Wow. I think if you can make a YouTube video with it, it can work. Why there's 2 mom? Okay, yeah, this one is fine. Just 2 kids are like same. Okay, we can say these are like twins, but I like that. Yeah, I really love that.